Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do ombre and gradient nail art very easily at home. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. So first step is base coat and base polish. Here I am starting with base coat, and yes, base coat is important. After base coat I am applying base polish, and as a base polish I am using a light grey nail polish. As a base polish, use lightest shade from your gradient or ombre. You can also use white nail polish as a base polish before you do your ombre, but I prefer lightest shade as a base polish before I do my ombre. We have already applied base polish, now it's time to protect our skin. You can use liquid latex as your skin barrier, or you can say to protect your skin from the mess after doing ombre. I don't use liquid latex anymore because I'm allergic to it. I personally love to use transparent tape as a skin barrier because it's quite cheap than other products available in market, and plus point is I don't need to wait 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it's completely dry, just like liquid latex. If you want to use transparent tape as your skin barrier, then you can use it in the same way I'm showing in the video. Before doing ombre, it's really important to prepare the sponge. Now question is how to prepare it. Just clean the sponge with help of a scotch tape or transparent tape to make sure it's totally dust free. That's it. Finally, it's time to do ombre. Oof. I'm going to do ombre with 3 different shades of grey. I will tell you the difference between ombre and gradient, so keep watching my video. Here I'm applying nail polishes on the sponge. I let the sponge soak the nail polish and then I dab it on my nails. Ombre and gradient nail art means dab, but don't overdo it. Sometimes it ruins your nail art. Just dab the sponge 2 or 3 times. If you are a beginner, then don't do it more than 3 times. After dabbing, give few minutes to dry the previous coat of sponged nail polish. When previous coat dries out completely, then you can go for dabbing again. In case of dabbing again, just follow the same steps I told you previously. We are done with our ombre, and now it's time to clean the excess. Now the question is how to remove them. At first, remove the skin barrier. After removing skin barrier, if you notice that you still have nail polish on your skin, then clean those nail polish with cotton swab which is dipped in nail polish remover or acetone. Our final step of gradient and ombre is top coat. Finish your ombre with top coat to make it long lasting and give it a beautiful shine. If you want, you can apply matte top coat on top of your ombre and gradient, just like I did after doing Michael Jackson nail art on top of this ombre. So we are done with our ombre, but there is one tip for you. Did you know that you can reuse your gradient sponge? Of course you can. Just cut the used part with help of a scissor. That's it. Now the difference between ombre and gradient. Let's talk about ombre first. You can do ombre with the colors from the same family that go from light to dark or dark to light. Let me explain. When you are blending colors from the same family like light blue, medium blue and dark blue, then it is called ombre, just like I did few minutes ago with grey colors. Let's talk about gradient now. Gradient is different types of color that blend into each other. As example, rainbow gradient. The colors that exist in rainbow are not from the same family. So when you will blend those colors in together, then it will be called gradient. So that was the difference between ombre and gradient. No, I'm not intelligent. I just took help of Google. Yeah. So that's all about my today's video. I hope it was a helpful video for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.